This is my bent grass test plot over here as well. This is kind of a nursery in case I have some damage that I need to pull plugs from. And this got a lot of deer traffic during the winter time, so it's kind of uneven and it's very soft down here. So I am doing a roll on this while it has dried out enough that it's still nice and soft, but it's not mushy. So if you do happen to want to smooth out an area, at least kind of knock down some of the high spots, that's a good time to do it without causing any major damage. If it's still slushy and still real mushy when you walk on it, not a great time to do it. It can be difficult sometimes to figure out the best time to do that, but if you let it dry out too much, you're just not going to have a lot of success with it. There's kind of a sweet spot in between there, and today seems like a good day for that.